You hear that sizzling right there? All that sizzling, yeah, that sizzling, tasty flavor. It's not just me, of course. It's this omelet. My obsession for omelet is good. Let me tell you what I put in here. Cheddar cheese and ham. The old ham and cheddar cheese. Which I'll add some other stuff soon. And the spatula, Cutco spatula, preferably. You gotta use this Cutco spatula. I gotta make a making of this thing. But I don't. And you gotta get a a paper Shonit plate. I'm not endorsed by these paper companies, but if I were, I would endorse them because these are fantastic. Disposables. And here it goes. Oh, yeah, look at that, look at that. Oh, look, it's going up. Oh, you're already in dressing. Dirty. I should clothe yourself. Da-da. Da-da. This is gonna be good. Delicious.